Have you ever stopped to think that while you're working hard every day for money, your money could also be working for you? The truth is, most people live trapped in a cycle of earning and spending, never realizing the potential of using their money as a tool to build wealth. Investing is the key that opens the door to financial freedom, and it's not reserved for the rich or the lucky. It's available to anyone willing to learn and take the first step. In this video, I'll show you how to start investing even if you know nothing right now. We'll talk about practical strategies, common mistakes to avoid, and how to grow your money over time. So if you're tired of financial stress, of living paycheck to paycheck, and want to change your future, then stay with me. This could be the most important lesson you'll ever learn about money. Why investing is so important. Let me be clear. Not investing is actually the riskiest financial decision you can make. Inflation continues to rise year after year, silently eating away at the value of your money. If you leave your savings in a regular account, you're literally losing purchasing power every single day. Investing is what protects your wealth from inflation and grows it over time. It's the difference between someone who retires comfortably and someone who struggles to make ends meet. Even small amounts consistently invested over time can lead to significant growth thanks to compound interest. And you don't need a financial degree or huge capital to get started. Investing is not about luck. It's about patience, discipline, and using time in your favor. So ask yourself, where do you want to be in 10, 15, or 20 years? Because what you do today will define your financial future. Types of investments for beginners. If you're just getting started, it's normal to feel overwhelmed. There are stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, crypto, ETFs. It can feel like a foreign language. But here's the good news. You don't have to understand everything at once. What you need is a clear starting point. Beginners often start with safer, low-risk investments like treasury bonds, certificates of deposit, CDs, or index funds, which follow the overall market and require less management. Over time, you can explore stocks, which carry higher risks but also higher potential returns. Real estate is another solid option if you're ready for more responsibility. The key is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Mix assets from different categories to balance risk and reward. And most importantly, match your investment style to your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Common mistakes to avoid when investing. Many people lose money in the beginning simply because they dive in without understanding what they're doing. One of the most dangerous mistakes is following random tips on social media or investing emotionally, chasing hype or panic selling during a market drop. Investing is not gambling, it's strategy. Another huge mistake is putting all your money into one stock or asset. That's like betting everything on one number at the roulette table. Very risky. It's also a mistake to believe you need to time the market perfectly. Even professional investors can't do that consistently. What matters most is time in the market, not timing the market. Always research before investing, keep your emotions in check, and avoid high-interest debt before you start. Knowledge, patience, and consistency are your greatest allies in this journey. How to start investing. Step by step. Getting started is easier than you might think. First, open an account with a reliable brokerage. This can be done online in just a few minutes. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Vanguard offer user-friendly interfaces, and many have zero fees. Once your account is set up, deposit a small amount of money. Even $10 is enough to begin. Then choose a simple, diversified investment like an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. But before you do anything, invest a little time in learning. Watch educational videos, read beginner guides, or take a free course. The goal is to understand what you're doing and why. Set clear financial goals, whether it's saving for a house, retirement, or just building wealth. Make regular contributions every month and think long-term. Investing is not a sprint. It's a marathon, and you're building something that will reward you for the rest of your life. It is not about having a lot of money. It is about building habits that generate money over time. You have the tools, you have the time, and now you have the knowledge. So take action today. Open your account, start investing, and begin your journey toward financial independence. Your future is in your hands, and it starts now. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. And since you've made it till the end, here's a special bonus for you. The absolute best investment you can make is in yourself. Invest in your education, learn new skills, and increase your value.